All right, let's get into this. I just want to go over this trade setup I have just placed a few hours ago. This is the SPX USD. It is an S&P 500 CFD that you can trade with Forex brokers. I always start on the weekly chart and I plot my weekly support and resistance levels. I think from bottom to top, these are all pretty obvious why I put these levels here. So we are trending upwards on the weekly. On the daily, there is still support for an uptrend. This band here is the Mesa Adaptive Moving Average. It is a indicator created by John Ehlers that I have written in PineScript that also supports multi-time frame analysis, which is super handy. So now I've overlaid the weekly Mesa Adaptive Moving Average on top of this. If I go down to the 4-hour, and I'll just hide this for now. If we go to the 4-hour, you can see that price is just oscillating around this band. And it's been oscillating for quite some time. Looks like, if I can measure this, there we go. Been oscillating for 22 days and 8 hours. So 3 weeks, it's just been oscillating around this. So here are the facts. On the weekly and the daily, price is trending upwards. It is biased to go to this level, 33.90. On the 4-hour, price is mean reverting. It is oscillating around this average. And on the 1-hour, we can see price is still oscillating around this average. And what happens in a mean reverting or ranging market when price reaches the bottom of the range, it bounces right back up. And because on the daily and weekly, there is an uptrend, I'm going to be looking for a buy. So I will show you the position that I just took. And I placed my stop loss and position size based on the 4-hour time frame. So here's the actual trade. Got in pretty close to the bottom, which is great. I saw this small wick forming. This candle closed. And on the most current candle, I saw price starting to push up. I went into the 1-hour. I saw this first candle pushing up even more. And it came down. I entered and it went right back up. So this position is sitting at a risk ratio of 2.2 to 1. I have placed an order that is 3 contracts large, and at most I'll be risking about $100, and I stand to gain approximately $220. We'll see how this plays out. I might close it early because I have a feeling, and I know, a feeling obviously isn't very quantitative, but I have a feeling that that volume is just not going to be able to push it to this level since it's been rejected twice now, actually 3 times. So I might close it out a little bit earlier and just take any profit that I have.